How nail biting could prove harmful and dangerous to our health. Nail biting is an oral compulsive habit that is very common in children and adults. Medically, it is known as onychophagia. Many people are not even aware of the fact that they are biting their nails. From a mild habit, nail biting can become a more serious problem. Stress, boredom, frustration, anxiety and loneliness are some of the common reasons behind nail biting. It can also be a symptom of psychological conditions, such as obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, oppositional defiant disorder, ODD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, separation anxiety disorder or bedwetting. Nail biting has both physical and emotional consequences. Excessive nail biting can cause severe damage to the nail, cuticles as well as the surrounding skin, which can become red and sore and may even bleed and get infected. Nail biting can also harm your teeth. Nail biting, also known as onychophagia, is a common habit that many people do without even realizing it. As the appearance of bitten down fingernails can be embarrassing, this can add to your anxiety and stress. Plus, the act of biting your nails is socially unacceptable and gives a negative impression to others. Nail biting is an extremely hard habit to break, but not an impossible task. You can do it with a little motivation and strong willpower. There are also many natural aids that can help you stop biting your nails. Nail biting typically begins in childhood and can continue through adulthood. Unconsciously, people start biting their nails while involved in another activity, such as reading, watching television or talking on the phone. The habit is practiced more in times of stress or excitement, or in times of boredom or inactivity. If you have the habit of nail biting, it is time to stop. The side effects can be more than cosmetic. At times, nail biting can be a symptom of a bigger issue like obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, or depression. Here are the reasons why nail biting is harmful and dangerous to your health. Spreads germs to your mouth. Your hands and nails are loaded with bacteria, fungus, yeast and other harmful germs. When you put your unwashed hands and nails in your mouth, you are just increasing the risk of an infection. Your nails are an ideal location for bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. Nail biting had any real effect on transporting bacteria to the mouth. The results show that Enterobacteriaceae were more prevalent in the oral cavities of children with nail-biting habits, 76%, than in children with no oral habit, 26.5%. It can even increase the risk of warts and herpes infection. Stomach problems. When you bite your nails, harmful microbes are transferred from your nails to your mouth and make their way to your gut. Once inside the stomach, these microbes can cause gastrointestinal infections that lead to diarrhea and abdominal pain. Children with a nail-biting habit are at a greater risk of digestive and enteric diseases like intestinal worm infections due to their weak immune system. Nail infections. Nail biting also increases the risk of a nail infection. As you bite your nails, tiny tears or abrasions occur around the skin near your nails. Harmful bacteria, yeast and other microorganisms can enter through these tears or abrasions, thus increasing the risk of infection. The infection can lead to swelling, redness and pus around your nail, which can be difficult to treat if you do not stop nail biting. Biting your nails can lead to hangnails and make the skin around your nails bleed. Damages nail bed. Apart from making you more susceptible to nail infections, biting your nails can cause severe damage to the nail bed, cuticles as well as the surrounding skin. Nail deformities can be caused by subconscious habits like biting the nail as well as picking objects using the nail. These habits cause elevation of the nail at the distal part and destroy the protection offered by the hyponychium at the distal end. Chronic nail biting also can lead to irreversible shortening of the nails. Dental problems. Nail biting is not at all good for your dental health. It can interfere with proper dental occlusion and your teeth may shift from their original position. It can also crack, chip or wear down your front teeth over time. Those who wear braces put their teeth at even greater risk. Along with affecting your teeth, biting your nails can damage your gum tissue. Habitual fingernail biting can cause gingival injury. A fingernail biting habit can induce a periodontal traumatic injury yielding a more serious complication, such as a gingival abscess. Can lead to bruxism. People who bite their fingernails when stressed could be at greater risk for bruxism. Those who have the habit of nail biting can even chew on pencils or clench their teeth during times of stress or anxiety when their hands are occupied in other activities. Clenching their teeth can put a person at a greater risk for bruxism. The unintentional grinding or clenching of teeth may cause facial pain, jaw pain, tense muscles, chronic headaches and sensitive teeth. Impaired quality of life. Nailing biting is associated with one's emotional state and is a common habit practiced during stress, anxiety and boredom. Nail biting occurs in young adults as a result of boredom or working on difficult problems, which may reflect a particular emotional state. People who chronically bite their nails report significantly higher quality of life impairment than those who do not. Along with the habit, even resisting nail biting can lead to tension, which also negatively influences quality of life. Here are some natural aids to stop nail biting. Neem oil. The bitter taste of neem oil can help you stop nail biting. Additionally, being an antiseptic, neem oil will keep your nails free from infection. Use a cotton ball to rub neem oil on your nails. Allow it to dry on its own. When you unconsciously bite your nails, the bitter taste will compel you to remove your fingers from your mouth. Garlic. Garlic is another natural ingredient that can help you in the battle to fight nail biting. Many people dislike garlic's strong taste and aroma. As garlic is a natural antiseptic, it will also strengthen your nails and keep infections at bay. You can use both raw garlic and garlic oil. Cut a clove of garlic into halves. Run one piece over your nails liberally and leave it on for a few minutes before washing it off. The lingering garlic taste will stop you from biting your nails. You can also rub some garlic oil on your nails with a cotton ball. Bitter gourd. Another very effective natural aid to stop nail biting is bitter gourd. As its name suggests, it is known for its bitter taste. Make a paste by crushing one bitter gourd. Put the paste on a sieve to extract the juice. Apply the juice on your nails and fingers and allow it to dry. The bitter taste will prevent you from biting your nails. Nail biting polish. There are many nail biting polishes available in the market that are especially designed to help people quit the habit. Use a bitter tasting nail biting polish to coat your nails. Its bitter taste will prevent you from biting your nails. You can even use a regular dark-colored nail polish. When the nails are covered in dark color, they look bad when chipped from nail biting. This can help motivate you to break the habit. Trim the nails. Another good option to stop nail biting is to trim your nails on a regular basis. When you keep your nails relatively short, there is less left to bite. Trimming your nails will also keep them looking neat and tidy. Choose the right clippers for the job and after trimming, polish the edges with a nail filer. Regular manicure. Treat yourself to a professional manicure as often as you can to help you break the habit of nail biting. A professional manicurist can apply acrylic nails over your natural nails, or add nail decor like jewels, patterns and textures. The more beautiful your nails look, the more it will function as a deterrent. The cost you paid for the manicure may also deter you from biting into those nails. Wear gloves. Gloves work as a good barrier method that can help you stop biting your nails. You'll be more motivated to quit biting if you're writing or doing something else that is particularly tough to do while wearing gloves. Wearing gloves during the winter months is fine, but wearing them in the middle of summer can look ridiculous. Remind yourself that if you stop nail biting, there will be no need to wear the gloves. This works as a motivational tool. Adhesive bandages. Another good barrier to prevent nail biting is applying self-adhesive bandages on your fingertips. Also, as bandaged nails do not look good, they work as a motivator to stop nail biting. Keep the bandages on your fingers during the day and take them off at night. You can apply fresh bandages every time you shower, or every time they become wet or dirty. Adopt a new habit. If you bite your nails when you are stressed, depressed or bored, pick up a new habit that will keep you distracted. Opt for a hobby that will keep both your hands and mind busy and thus prevent you from biting your nails. Some hobbies that you can try are making clay models, knitting or crocheting, drawing, cooking, painting and music. Participating in these activities will also help reduce the emotional distress that is contributing to the nail biting. Tips to stop nail biting. Cut your nails regularly and trim them short. You will not be as tempted to bite on short nails. Get some bitter-tasting nail polish from the market and apply it on your nails. The bitter taste will discourage you from biting your nails. You can even apply the bitter-tasting juice of Indian lilac or bitter gourd to your nails. Treat yourself to a professional manicure to break the habit of nail biting. You can opt for acrylic nails or add nail decor like jewels, patterns and textures. When watching television or reading a book, cover your nails with tape or stickers or wear gloves to prevent biting. When you are stressed or tense, try playing with a stress ball to keep your hands busy and away from your mouth. Maintain a healthy diet to help your nails repair and grow well. Consult a doctor and consider behavioral therapy, such as habit reversal training. You can also chew gum or suck on mints or candies throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you so that you can take a sip of water instead of biting your nails when you have a weak moment. Visualize yourself with strong, healthy nails. Put a picture of healthy nails on your wall, or even carry it with you. This will motivate you to reach your goal. Maintain a healthy diet to help your nails repair and grow well. Eat calcium and magnesium-rich foods so your nails will repair and grow well. Reduce stress so that you can become more relaxed. If you've tried everything to stop biting your nails and nothing has worked, it may be time to see your doctor. At times, nail biting can be a symptom of a bigger issue like obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, or depression.